channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be getting ready with you guys, and I'm going to show you a tutorial on this makeup look right here because today is a family bridal shower that I'm going to. So I decided to just turn on the camera and get ready with you guys. So if you guys would like to see this whole look right here, then just keep on watching. So I'm first starting off with my eyebrows, and I am using Brow by Benefit. And I will also be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I am in the shade Soft Brown in the pencil, and in the Brow I am shade number 3. You can't even see that. It's blurry, but I'm in shade number 3. So once I fill in the back portion of my brow, I'm now going to go in with my pencil and fill in the front of the brow and any areas that I did not get with the brush. Now I'm going to get Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with a flat brush, and I'm just going to clean up that underbrow. And I'm also going to use that same Shape Tape to prime my eyelids. That eyebrow is complete. Now I'm going to do the other eyebrow. So I just finished filling in my brows, and now I'm going to set my eyelids with Laura Mercier translucent powder. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using this Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette that I did receive in my BoxyCharm. It's going to be my first time using it, so let's see how this goes. I'm first going to get the shade called Hide and Seek. It's like this grayish brownish color, and I'm going to place that on my crease. I'm bringing it all the way to the inner crease. Now to deepen up that crease color a little bit more, I'm going to take the shade Flip Out in the palette and just make my crease a little bit darker. Cut my crease with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and again I'm using my flat brush. I'm now getting the color Clutch, which is this one right here, and placing that on the whole lid. to go a bit more bold, and instead of just having that shimmery clutch color that I added from the palette, I ended up adding some glitter glue over top of that eyeshadow, that shimmery eyeshadow, and then I added some of this NYX pigment, and this is the shade 20, Pig 20 it's called. So I'm gonna show you how I did that right now. So I'm just gonna get some glue, apply it on the back side of my hand, just a tiny bit, and then I'm just gonna dab this glue onto that shimmery shade that we had put it on. Get that pigment on the cap and start applying that pigment, and it just makes it like bam, like way more bold, shiny. Now for my outer lid, I'm gonna apply this color right here called Swoop, and just to give this look a smoky effect. Alright, once I got that outer shade as dark as I want, I'm now gonna go into my Shade and Light Kat Von D eye palette, and I'm gonna get the color Shacks, and I'm going to create a top liner with that. Apply falsies. I'm gonna apply the Ardell Wispy lashes. These are my favorite lashes, and they are so affordable, and it brings 5 in the pack. Before I apply my lashes, I totally forgot, I'm gonna apply some mascara. So I'm just gonna use this MAC mascara. It's an Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. I think that's what it's called. There's like a little sticker, so I can't really see the name that good. But this mascara is really good. Lashes are on. I'm now gonna curl my lashes. For foundation, I'm using my Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick, and I am in the shade Y365. Concealer and highlight, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. To bake, I'm gonna get my Laura Mercier translucent powder and applying this everywhere that I put concealer. Bronzer, I'm using this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in the shade Diffused Bronze Light. For blush, I'm using this Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in the shade Tropic Hues. I'm going back to my eyes and I'm gonna apply the shade Hide and Seek, which is this one. Then I'm gonna apply the shade Flip Out, and then this shade right here that is called Swoop. So all the colors that I placed on my eye, I'm gonna put on my waterline. I'm applying some of that same MAC mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm applying some Morphe Continuous Setting Spray on my face. For highlight, I'm using this MAC Whisper of Guilt highlighter. This is probably one of my favorite highlighters in the entire world. Right here. Look at that. Wow. Lastly, for lipstick, I'm gonna get this NYX. It's a eyebrow pencil, but I use it for my lips, and it's medium brown. I know that's kind of weird to use that on your lips, but works perfectly fine. And then I'm gonna use this MAC lipstick that's literally all messed up, but this one is in the shade Cafe Au Chic. I hope I said that right. But this is the lipstick. Alright guys, so this is the completed makeup look. So now let's go pick out an outfit. Alright guys, so I'm wearing this romper that I got like about a year ago in Charlotte Russe, and it's just this bluish teal romper. It looks really nice. It has like this like lace detailing, and it just makes it look very fancy but at the same time casual. And my shoes are from Target. They're just regular plain black heels. Lastly, I'm gonna run the iron a little bit through my hair because I have no time to like curl my hair or anything, so I'm just gonna pass the iron really quick and I'm good to go. This this brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, remember, click that like button down below. Also subscribe to my channel before you leave. I will be doing a huge giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. So I'm about like 90 subscribers away, so come on guys, continue subscribing to my channel, and also turn on that post notification bell so you know every single time I post a video. All my social media is down below in the description box, like my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.